Welcome back to Sullivan Building. My name is Holly, and if you haven't been following along, we are renovators in Far North Queensland. We are renovating our home, and if you haven't watched last week, we finished our master ensuite renovation, so go back and check that out. And this week we are moving on to the master bedroom. So we've basically knocked out the living room wall, built a new wall, and we're combining the two spaces to make it a lot bigger. So keep following along and see what we build. Okay, this is the existing living room, which we are going to completely transform into the new master bedroom suite. Our first job will be knocking out the tiles under where the new wall is going to go up. We are up to the stage where we are going to frame up this section so we can get it closed off and minimize dust to all the other parts of the house.
Don't kick it like a girl. She's kicked it like a girl.
Shut up.
Look at this one. Cody.
Who bought that?
Me.
Oh,
He has an gambling addiction of Milwaukee tours.
right.
He does. No, snake. What are you kidding? He stuck his dirty head out.
Is he going on this side?
Listen here, Cody. I didn't want to say anything, but can you speed it up a little, just a notch? Seriously. I never seen a bloke go so slow. Cody.
Yes.
Did you cut that off?
Yeah.
Is it rubbish then?
Yes. You're not keeping all this, are you?
This will all go.
Bit of a damage. Oh, buddy, I wouldn't. That is a bad place to stand. Hey.
Can you grab this door, please?
Alright, what we're going to do now is just clear out everything in this room, then we can just go through and jackhammer all of the tiles up, and then don't let him like that. Yuck.
Smoko time on the big work site here. There's the big chicken.
I'm going to make some chicken rolls for lunch. What would you like in it? Cheese, chicken, and lettuce?
That's garbage guts. Garbo guts.
You alright with that?
What's this one called?
Yes.
Oh, it's the little chicken. This is the little chicken.
I'm not the little chicken.
Yep.
Alright, we have just gone through and knocked all these skirtings off. Now we're going to go for a quick tip run before we start getting the tiles up. Okay, we have just got back from the tip. We have a lot of tiles coming up now, so we just put them all into buckets to make it easier to tip them out. We go through with a couple of jackhammers, get the tiles off, and then we hit it again and get the glue off because it makes it a lot easier for whoever is grinding the floor. Tiles are now up, so we just went through, jackhammered them off. We jackhammer all the glue off, and then it will be ready to grind all the floors back so the tiles are laid nice and smooth. It is now time to build the wall. So this wall will be divided between the walk-in wardrobe and where the bed will sit. So we're building it out of 70 by 35 and 70 by 45 on our bottom and top plates. And then I'm getting ready to cut all of our studs to go through, and Dad will just put them on as we go, and then we'll have our wall built.
take mine out and we'll lower it. Just pull my back right up. Yeah, then you tell me where you want it. Yeah, oh, hold it. Tell me. This is the back end.
Alright, we have got all of our plastering yesterday. We have got the paneling on the bottom 1200 and we've got the new light fitted. All of our switching is done and it's ready to be sanded and some moulding to go on there. Then we can cornice it and skirting. So I'll give you a little walk around to show you what we are going to do here. So this is the master wardrobe. So that window there is going to go and we are going to go a wrap around wardrobe all the way here, floor to ceiling. And this is the bathroom that you saw last time. So you'll just walk out, excuse the tools, but this is the master bedroom. That window is going because that will be the new kitchen extension. That window is also going and we're going to just put a wooden door out to the outside. The bed will go about here and then we can tile it all. The wall is now finished. We've got plaster on the other side and I can put the wall bats in now. So I just go through and cut them to suit as I go and make sure they don't have any gaps in them because the heat up here can be very hot and this definitely helps it keep cooler inside, and then once we are done we can put the blue wrapping around it and it helps reflect the heat again. As you can see behind me, the old window is now finished. It is now framed up, sheeted, and it's got insulation in the wall as well as the exterior wall wrap, so that's ready to be clad when we are doing that. But it's all coming together. We are going along and we are sanding all the gyprock now. So we're using a sander and it goes straight into the vacuum and it doesn't make any dust. So that is really good. And then I'll just go through and check it with the light and make sure there are no imperfections in it. So when we paint it, it will come up really nice. Now that the sanding is done, I'm going along and I'm painting all the walls. So you could probably spray this paneling if you have one, or you can just hand paint it like I am, just so there is less mess in the room and less taping up. And then I'm just going to go around, cut the rest of the room in, and then I can start rollering all the walls, and this will be the first coat, which is a primer, and then we go along and we hit it with the final coat. Just finished painting the room. I have done one coat of primer and one coat of finish coat, and it obviously will need more than that, but for now it is looking a bit better. Up here yesterday they plastered up where the old wall actually was into the bedroom, so it was from here to there long, which is tiny for a master. So we have extended the room, and that is going to be the master wardrobe, so just wrap around cabinetry. But that is now all looking a lot better and bigger. Thank you for following along on the master bedroom renovation. There will definitely be more to come. Hopefully next time we are doing all the nice finished touches to the room. Make sure you like and subscribe to be able to follow our journey of renovating our house in Far North Queensland.